You can make an easy little side table for your room in a box by taking a small box with a lid, taking everything out of it, including fluffy stuff. Okay. Now take your lid and the actual box part and make like an L shape, like that. And then secure it with masking tape. Don't worry if you plan on using this box again, because this tape is really easy to break down, if you know what I mean. And then just lean it up against the wall, and it'll look like you have a nice little golden bedside table. Perfect place to keep their alarm clock, books, their keys, their radio, whatever you want. So yeah, that's just a quick tip.